Let us come to the 12th question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What's the difference between their 1000th term? Okay. Let us take a general example. Okay. Now, let us take an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and another AP say 3, 6, 9, 12. Sorry, they have a same common difference. Let us take another AP which is the common difference here, D is equal to 2. So let us start with the 14. Common difference is here also 2 only. 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay. Now, what is the difference between the first term here, 2 and 14, which is 12. Similarly, if you take what is the difference between the second term, even here it is 12. Between the third term is 12. In the fourth term, 12. See, you can observe when you have two arithmetic progressions, starting term will be different. But if the common difference is same, the difference between their nth terms will also be same, whether you take the 100th term or the 1000th term. So, based on the simple common understanding, if two APs have a same common difference, then the difference between their nth term will be same. So, 100th term difference is 100. So, whatever term you take 99th term or you take 150th term or the 1000th term, the difference will always be equal to 100 only. This can be a MCQ question, so directly you can solve like this, but let us also do the same one in a mathematical way. So, let one AP be represented by A1, A2, A3, A4 and another AP be represented by B1, B2, B3, B4. Both the APs have common difference is equal to same, which is D. So, what is the 100th term of first AP? So, 100th term of first AP will be A100 is equal to A1 plus 99D, and for the second AP, what will be the 100th term? It is, so B100 is equal to B1 plus 99D. Note that here only the first term is different, but the common difference is same in both the cases. What they have given, the difference, so A100 minus B100 is equal to how much? 100. So, if you substitute there, A1 plus 99D minus B1 plus 99D is equal to 100, or we can say A1 plus 99D minus B1 minus 99D is equal to 100. 99 cancels. So, A1 minus B1 is equal to 100. Now, what they have asked? They have asked for the difference between their 1000th term. So, the 1000th term will be A1000 is equal to A1 plus 999D and B1000th term is B1 plus 999D. They have asked us A1000 minus B1000, which happens to be A1 minus B1 plus 999D minus 999D. So, these two cancels is equal to A1 minus B1. But what we have? We have A1 minus B1 is equal to 100. Therefore, the difference between the 1000th term is also equal to 100 only. Okay. So, this is a good MCQ type question. Let us come to the next one. How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So what is the first 3-digit number divisible by 7? So let us start with 100. 100 is not divisible. So 101, no. If you divide by 100, 100 divided by 7 is equal to, 100 is the first 3-digit number. We get 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 2 is the remainder. So if 2 is the remainder, we get the first digit which will be divisible will be plus 5, that is 105. So 105 will be the first 3-digit number, divisible by 7. Okay. Similarly, what will be the next 3-digit number divisible by 7 is, you just go on adding 7. That will be 112, 119 and so on. Now what will be the last 3-digit number divisible by 7? What is the last 3-digit number? Let us take 999. Is it divisible by 7? Divided by 7 is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, so 1 remaining, 7 twos are 14, 5 is the remainder. So no remainder has to come, means we have to subtract 9. So the largest 3-digit number divisible by 7 will be 999 minus 5, which will be 994, which is 994. So we have to count the number of digits, number of numbers here. Okay, so is this a AP? Yes, this follows the rules of a AP. So what is the common difference here? This is an AP with first term A1 is equal to 105 and common difference D is equal to 7. We have AN is equal to 994 and we have to find N. Formula for AN is A1 plus N minus 1 D is equal to 994, or A1 is 105 plus N minus 1 D is 7 is equal to 994. N minus 1 7 is becomes 994 minus 105, which happens to be N minus 1 7 is equal to 4 minus 5 is 9, 889. So n minus 1 is equal to 889 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 1 carry. So 7 twos are 14, 4 remainder, 7 sevens are. So n minus 1 is equal to 127 and n is equal to 128. So number of 3 digits divisible by 7 is 128. Let's come to the next question. How many multiples of 4? Very similar question. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 14th question. Multiples of 4 between, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 10 and 250. So what is the first multiple after 10? It will be 12. So next number will be 16. Next number will be 20. So on. What will be the last number which is multiple of 4 between 250? We will consider 250 also. Is 250 divisible by 4? 4 8s are 4 6 are 24 10. So 250 is not divisible. So the 249, no. 248, is 248 divisible by 4? 248 divided by 4. 6 4s are 24, 2. So it is divisible. So the last number is 248. Similarly, we have A1 is equal to 12, common difference is 4, AN is equal to 248, we have to find N. So I will directly write 12 plus N minus 1 into 4 is equal to 248, N minus 1 is equal to 248 minus 12 divided by 4, which happens to be 248 minus 12 is 236 by 4 is 4 5s are 20, 4 9s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 59, n is equal to 60. So there are 60 numbers which are divisible by 4 lying between 10 and 250. Let us come to the 15th question. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? So two APs are given. One AP is, the first AP is 63, 65, 67, so on. So what is the first? Let us write the first term. First term here, A is 63 and D is 65 minus 3 is 2. And second AP is 3, 10, 17, so on. So here the first term is 3 and common difference is 7. Okay. Now they are asking for what value of n or nth terms are equal. So nth term of AP1 is equal to nth term of AP2. Now let us write the nth term of AP1 will be A1 plus n minus 1 D1 is equal to A1 plus n minus 1 D1 here. So here what is A? 63 plus n minus 1, here D is 2 is equal to, here A is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. Let us find n here. So 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 1, 61 plus 2n. Let us bring this 7 here, minus 7n. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. If it comes this side, it becomes plus 4 is equal to 0. 2n minus 7n is minus 5n. Sorry. Minus 61 plus 4 is 65. Excuse me. So n is equal to 65 by 5. So n is 5 ones are 5 3s are 13. So the 13th term, both the 13th terms will be, 13th term will be equal. Similarly, let us do the next question, which is 16th question. 16th question. What does 16th question say? Determine the AP whose third term is 16. Let us write that. What they have given? Third term. So A3 is equal to 16 and seventh term means we write it as A7 exceeds fifth term will be A5 by 12. What is the mathematical meaning of this? A7 exceeds A5 by 12 means A7 irudu A5 kinta 12 jasti. So let us write the formula. What is A7? They have also given A3 is equal to determine the AP whose third term is 16. So we have to write the AP itself. So what do we get here? Let us take, we have one known here, another known here. Let us expand this. A7 will be A1 plus 6D is equal to A5 will be A1 plus 4D plus 12. A cancel 6D, 4D if it comes this side, it becomes 2D is equal to 12. So common difference we got it as 6. Now let us take this. We have A3. A3 means A plus 2D is equal to 16. But we know D is equal to 6. So A plus 2 into 6 is 16. This is 12. 12 if it goes that side becomes minus. So A is equal to 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12 is 4. So we got the first term, we got the difference. Therefore, the AP arithmetic progression is, first term is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22, 28 and so on. Okay. Let's come to the 17th question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So from the last term of the AP, we need to find the 20th term. How do we solve this? We have the AP 3, 8, 13, so and so. Okay. See, now what I will do in this question is, we want from the last 20th term beku. So what I will do is, I will flip the AP. Andre ulta martini. I will write this AP as 253, 13, 8, 3. Now what I will do is, from the first term it becomes, when I make it ulta ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ 20ನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೌ the first term A1 will be 253. Common difference will be 8 minus 13 is equal to minus 5, we need to find A20. A20 is equal to A plus 19D is equal to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. 19 5s are 25 is 100, so 19 5s is 95. So is equal to 253 minus 95 is equal to 158. So the 20th term from the end will be 158. This is how you can solve this. Or another method also you can do, which is more roundabout. We have to find 253 ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಅದನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟು 19 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಎನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎನ್ನಿಂದನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಲೆಂದಿಯರ್ ವೇ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್. Let us come to the 18th question. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the AP. So let us write this mathematically. What does the first portion say? The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24. Mathematically that means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. What does the continuation say? And the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 44. So let us write that also. So that means A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. Once you write this, more or less it is solved. So how can I write A4? A4 I will write it as A plus 3D plus A8 is A plus 7D is equal to 24. Or I can say 2A plus 7 plus 3 is 10D is equal to 24. Okay, I will take out A common, so it means A plus 5D is equal to 12. So this is my first equation. Let us find the second equation. What is A6? A6 is A plus 5D plus A10 is A plus 9D is equal to 44. So 2A plus 9 plus 5 is 14D is 44. Here also we get A plus 7D is 22. So I have my equation 1 A plus 5D as 12 and my equation 2 A plus 7D is equal to 22. If you subtract these two, I will get 7D minus 5D as 2D is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10. So therefore D is equal to 5. Now if I substitute D is equal to 5 in from equation 1, I get A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. Therefore A is equal to 5 5 is at 25. 25 if it goes that side, it becomes 12 minus 25. So A is equal to minus 13. So we got A as minus 13. Now they are asking the first 3 terms. So first term will be minus 13. Second term will be minus 13 plus 5, that is minus 8. Third term will be minus ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ minus 3. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ 5 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ plus 2. So 4 terms I have written. Let us come to the 19th question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees and received an increment of 200 rupees each year. So ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ 200 rupees ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. In which year did his income reach 7,000? A very simple question. So first 1995 ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು? 5,000 1995. 96 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 5,200 1996. 5,400 ಯಾವಾಗಾಯಿತು? 1998. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರ 7,000 ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಬಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ ವೇ ಯು ಡೂ ಇಟ್. Is this a AP? Yes, this is the AP. So here the first term is 5,000 and common difference is 200. We have to find n for which AN is equal to 7,000. What is AN? AN is 7,000 means A plus n minus 1 D is 7,000, or 5,000 plus n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000. n minus 1 into 200 is equal to 5,000 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ 7,000 minus 5,000 becomes 2,000. n minus 1 is equal to 2,000 divided by 200, which happens to be 10. So n is 11. So it takes n is 11. So you have to add 11 years to 1995. Therefore 1995 plus 11 is equal to how much? 2006. His salary, you have to write this sentence, his salary becomes rupees 7,000 from the year 2006. Next question 20. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year. I'll add a page to this. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by 1.75. So prati week 1.75 increased her weekly savings. If in the nth week her weekly savings becomes 20.75, find n. This is simple. So first week alli enide, first week Ramkali saved rupees 5 and then increased. Second week alli enaitu, it becomes plus 1.75, that is it becomes 6.75. Third week alli mattu plus 1.75, which happens to be 8.5. Fourth week alli 10.25 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ದ nth ವೀಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ 20.75, ಇದೇ ಥರ 20.75 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ nth ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಆಸ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ n. It is also very simple. Here 5, 6.75, 8.5, 10.25, ಇದೇ ಥರ it goes on to become 20.75. ಇದು ಒಂದು arithmetic progression with the first term being 5 and the common difference being 1.75. an is given to be 20.75 and we have to find n. So an formula ಏನು? a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 20.75. a is 5 plus n minus 1 into 1.75 is 20.75. n minus 1 into 1.75, 5 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it becomes 15.75. So n minus 1 is equal to 15.75 divided by 1.75. We have to do this division. If it becomes little heavy division, what I suggest you do is 15.75 can be written as 15 into 3 by 4 or equal to 60. 15 4s are, sorry, 15 4s are 60, 63 by 4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 1.75 can be written as 1/3 which is equal to 7 by 4. So you can write this as 63 by 4 divided by 7 by 4. 4 cancel agi, you get 9. n minus 1 is equal to 9 and n is equal to 10. This is the answer.